For most of 2020 and part of 2021, movie theaters in Mexico were shut down because of the COVID-19 pandemic. This month, they began to slowly reopen. Good news for the millions of movie fans across Mexico. Before the coronavirus hit, Mexico had the world's fourth largest number of box office sales, behind China, India, and the United States. But with the virus still taking lives, Mexico's government issued strict rules at movie theaters that allow for just 20% occupancy. Before each film begins, a public service announcement explains the safety protocols. Face masks are required. Use sanitary gel. Keep a safe distance from others. Then the feature film begins. We've come to Mexico City's famous Cineteca Nacional, a massive complex dedicated to the art of filmmaking. It recently made the list of the world's top 50 most beautiful cinema centers. A special store here, called Bella Lugosi, sells modern and vintage movie memorabilia. The owner is Hugo Ayala.
Right now, we are only allowed 20% capacity, which is too little. Still, people are responding and coming out to see cinema.
The hallways at one of Mexico's largest movie chains, Cinemex, are usually filled. The company has more than 3,000 movie theaters across Mexico. It took the difficult decision to keep them closed. In 2019, Cinemex says it sold 111 million tickets. In 2020, the number of movie tickets this national chain sold dropped more than 80% to just 18 million. Some fear that Cinemex might close permanently. Rogelio Vélez is the chief executive officer of Cinemex. In an exclusive interview, he said the shutdown is temporary.
What we are trying to do is minimize our losses. Everybody knows that with all the overhead costs of operating in this industry with absolutely no income, we cannot continue to decapitalize.
Cinemex hopes to reopen in June, perhaps in time to show a forthcoming Godzilla vs. Kong film. For now, one of Mexico's biggest movie theater chains is empty. Frank Contreras, CGTN, Mexico City.